Hi guys, yeah, this is me from the same day because I don't have time to shoot in different outfits and locations. So, my new company has decided to go on a corporate vacation, and yeah, this is a corporate vacation. Like ऑफिस वालों के साथ हम जा रहे हैं छुट्टी मनाने. So it's sort of like a vacation. In this whole year I traveled very few places, I think. So yeah, this is a big deal. Okay, so we are going to this place which I'll reveal in the end of the video because yeah, why not. I have few things to do before we leave for the vacation, so I hope you like this vacation prep or whatever sort of video it is. But yeah, I just wanted to make one. I don't know how it'll turn out to be, but we'll see that. I hope you enjoy this. And again, this video, this vacation, this corporate vacation is with another firm I am working with. It's not with the firm I had mental breakdowns in. Okay, do not confuse both because I'll kill you. Watch the video in sequence so that you don't have any questions. Okay guys, now I have to go because I have a lot of work to do before I leave for my vacation. So yeah, you will see in the video. So guys, this is the first step of going on a vacation. You need to go shopping, and I think I'm going Sarojini because जहाँ मैं जा रही हूँ वहाँ के लिए जो कपड़े चाहिए वो मुझे शायद सरोजनी में ही मिल सकते हैं इस टाइम पे. एंड बाकी सब जगह पे आई थिंक स्टॉक वगैरह चेंज हो गया होगा, लाइक जो माल आता है पीछे से. सो वी आर जस्ट ट्राइंग एंड वील सी where we'll land. So step 1 is Sarojini, and let's see what all I find there today. I'll show you somehow, you know. So let's go. There'll be girls across the nation that'll eat this up. Babe, I know that it's you, so but could you bottle it up? Get down to the heart of it. No, it's my heart. Your shit out of your love. Don't make me tell you again. Woo! Love, love, love. Hey. Love, 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 love. I do it, love. Love, love, love. Do it for. Yeah, do it for. Do it for. I do it for the love, yes I do. So you don't care about the money, well yes it's true. And I'm so blessed to be fulfilling my destiny. All material things could mean less to me. Only thing I ever could need is a Sarah B sample with a dope ass beat. And get the mic check, all the levels right. And if it's good then I'll be here for several nights. Cause the only thing I need is a strong supporting team. The most important thing that helps supporting my dream. And I can't forget my family, helping keep my sanity. No matter what I do, I know they'll always stand with me. No matter what I do, I know they'll always stand with me. Yeah. I do as I can only do me. That's all I know. Dodge the difficulties. I need to lose weight. This is fine, but I think I have something similar to it. Love is why I'm rapping. Love is the main reason for how all this happened. Love for all my fans, love for all the shows, got love for all my memories. I have no idea how this happened, but I got my periods 3 days before the trip. Since when I am that lucky, I don't know. But yeah, I got my periods. So if you're planning for your vacation, get your periods before the vacation, guys. That's another step there. Like, I'm feeling very lucky. My periods were due till 15th and I thought हो जाएगा, बस हो ही जाएगा and मेरा पूरा vacation खराब हो जाएगा. But here I am. Guys, another step for the vacation prep is the skincare, and I am taking a bunch of items with me because I don't know how to pack light. So the first step or the first product I'm taking with me is this L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Gel Cleanser. So this one I have already talked about in one of my last videos, and this is a really gentle cleanser on my skin. Did not break me out, really clean all the stuff, and I like the plumpy effect it gives. So this is definitely going with me. So after the cleanser, I like to tone my skin a little on the vacation, or you know, for the special occasions when I want to treat my skin good. So I'm taking this L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence. Now I use it as a toner and it has a very water-like consistency. Like it does not sting on the skin. It does not feel like heavy or irritating. So I really like this, and this is what I'm taking. This is, I guess, the second bottle. This I use when I want to feel fancy, and also this does not give me any my sensitive skin any sort of issues, so this is definitely going in. Also, one thing I wanted to mention about this, that it is perfect because it does not make your skin oily, so this is going with me. The third step in my skincare is hyaluronic acid, which I've already talked about. It's a nice step, and also I want to talk about, it does not do a lot of thing in the longer run, but it gives you instant glow. Like it really put hydration into your face and makes you look all plumpy and glowy. So that's why I'm taking this L'Oreal Paris ka hyaluronic acid serum 1.5%. I have talked about this and this is super amazing. The fourth thing I'm really excited about, because it was not launched in India before and it is a recent addition by L'Oreal Paris in the Indian skincare range, which is their Crystal Gel Cream. This is also by L'Oreal Paris. I have seen some reviews from people outside India using this baby, and I was waiting when this will be launching in India, and this has launched. Why I am excited about this? Because this cream has
salicylic acid, which is good for acne prone skin,
and there are no such creams available in the market which has salicylic acid in it. So yeah, I have used it like once or twice before, and what I have observed is that it has again a water-like consistency, suitable for combinational to oily skin, I would say, because it controls your oil secretion for 8 hours. Again, because it is a water-based consistency, so it deeper penetrate in your skin and makes you look glowy. Also, this also helps in minimizing your pores, like the pores we have here. It somewhat helps to look a little minimum in the size, if that makes sense. So I would suggest that you people can give this Crystal Gel Cream a try. It's a Dermat recommended cream, guys. Get your hands on this baby. The link will be in the description box. You can try this out. They have available this in different sizes, like they have 2 sizes available. I have the 50 ml one. The price will be mentioned in the description box. Go check it out. And the last step is the sunscreen, guys. So this one is Episoft. This makes my skin look a little oily sometimes, but because I'm using the gel based oil control, so usse help ho jata hai. And this is a nice sunscreen which does not make me break out. So this is going in, and पता है क्या, if you are not using sunscreen, ये सब तामझाम करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. So yes, please use your sunscreen. It's very important. I have done a lot of damage to my skin in the early ages when I never cared about sunscreens. So use your sunscreen, guys, or don't do any of the skincare. It will go waste. The last and the final things I'm taking with me are these two, my favorite lip balms. So this one is the Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula one, which is my absolute favorite, and I love this for this coconutty smell. The another one I'm taking is this Plum Candy Berry Feast, sorry. Berry Feast, kind of like इतना इसका ना टेस्ट भी बहुत मीठा सा है, so मैं आधा टाइम तो इसको खा ही जाती हूँ. But this is a really nice lip balm, guys. If you use it in the night, in the morning you will see that your lips are all have that red tint. So I like these two lip balms and they are going with me. So that is all for the skincare I'm taking, and I hope I do not overpack. I just hope, guys. So I just finished shooting a very important video. Now I have to run and get my hair done for the vacation. So yeah, need to go. Baki, I don't know which step we are in, but I have done. Yeah, wax is done. The Sarojini part is done. I think ज़्यादा काम बचा नहीं है अब. So yeah, मोटा काम तो मैंने सारा कर लिया है. बस छोटे मोटे पैकिंग शैकिंग वाला थोड़ा बहुत रह गया होगा, वो हम अभी कर लेंगे. बट बिफोर दैट आई नीड टू डू समथिंग विद माई हेयर. So yeah, let's go. Let's see what damage I'll do this time.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
और कुछ कर सकते हैं क्या?
और कुछ छोटे हो जाएंगे और
नहीं और छोटे नहीं, इनको बीच में से
बीच में से पार्टीशन कर सकते हो आप.
एक बार बीच
वैसे
में
भी
से
दिखा रहा हूँ आपको.
ओके.
एक और ऐसे भी रख सकते हो.
मेरे को पसंद नहीं आ रही है अभी यार.
आप ये अपने आप सेट करो कैसे.
मुझे नहीं पता भैया. ये अच्छे नहीं लग रहे मुझे. और छोटे कराऊँ क्या करूँ मैं इनका?
तोड़ने रहेंगे.
One, two, three, funk it.
ये तो नाश्ते में बिस्किट खाते जा रहे हुआ बन दिया. अब हुआ बस यार, मैं तो अभी खा के ही आई हूँ. चलो चाय वाय पीने ले. ये
Sage.
How excited are you?
No, I'm really excited. Please, खाना मत.
बेचारे का बर्थडे है कल and he's not excited at all. Look at him. So we reached airport and काफी लंबी लाइन है.
सब सबके हो जाए आना बिस्तर धोरे तो कैसे सोए जाना बिस्तर धोरे लो लोरी सुनाना.